Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I'm releasing a new update for the Ultimate Anime Scraper plugin. So it was not functional in the PS period because of the AniApi changes that were released recently. But today I updated the Anime Scraper plugin and it is working once again. So let me show you. It is here installed on this WordPress site. One big change that it requires now is that it will need to have the FFmpeg installed on your server. So FFmpeg needs to be installed on your server, and if you go to the plugin's main settings, you will see here FFmpeg path on your server. So this will need to be set exactly to the location of where FFmpeg is installed on your server if it is not available globally for your server. So yeah, this is something that you will need to do in order to continue using the plugin. If you need instructions on how to install FFmpeg, you will find a tutorial video in the description of this video. Also, if you want info on Ultimate Anime Scraper plugin, it is linked also in this video's description. So I installed FFmpeg on my server here and configured the path of the plugin here. So this is a Windows server, this is why it's a Windows path, but if you have a Linux server, you will have to enter here the Linux path of FFmpeg. And afterwards you can go to Anime Scraper as usual, and let me check the mangas and animes that are imported to my site. Also, this is the folder where the animes are uploaded, and it is empty now. So let me go ahead and start scraping a random Naruto anime, and as we can see, the anime episode started downloading as we speak here, and because it is Naruto the movie, it is a larger anime episode now, and scraping will take a bit longer. So if we check the properties of the file, we will see that it is growing slowly and steadily. If you have a high-speed network connection on your server, this will work much faster, because I'm on my desktop computer right now and I have a normal internet connection, a normal desktop internet connection, and scraping takes a bit longer in these conditions. So as you can see, I have around 5 megabytes per second or a bit more download speed, or even 10, I'm not sure. So between 5 and 10 megabytes per second, but on your server this can be even larger depending on the server performance and server network type. Okay, so as we can see, the Naruto file is being scraped, so this is why importing is still working here. So it is working automatically, and importing and scraping of anime episodes might take a bit longer in these cases. However, you can sit back and relax while the plugin does the hard work for you. So if we check also the mangas that are imported to our site, we will see that Naruto the movie is starting to appear. However, if we check the chapter list, it is yet empty because the chapter is not yet fully scraped. So this will be, so we have 380 megabytes, and we scraped this episode. So we should be getting the full anime soon, but it might be even over 1 gigabyte, so we can wait this a bit longer out. Okay, so while we wait, I will show you some more features about the Anime Scraper plugin. So as I said, all prior functions are working. It is now also able to save the anime files in the cloud using S3 Amazon storage. However, in the version 1.1.0 update, this is the one that I'm showing you right here, it will also require FFmpeg to correctly scrape the anime episodes, because anime episodes were not scraped correctly in the latest changes of the AniApi service. So we see that the anime was scraped fully. If we check here, the file is scraped also. It is around 600 megabytes. And if we refresh the anime manga here and check the chapter list, we will see that the episode is imported. And also if we go to the page where the episode is displayed, we will be able to go ahead and view the Naruto movie here directly on our site, and this is directly residing now on our server. So this is now here on my server. This episode is scraped to my server. So yeah, this is how the latest changes to the Ultimate Anime Scraper plugin will look. Keep in mind you will need FFmpeg installed on your server to keep it function. So yeah, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed these updates that I create for my plugins. If you have more ideas, let me know in the comments from below. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.